whole set of channel with a lot of series. It's gonna be on the basis of travel videos, makeup videos, skincare videos, challenges, vlogs, and a lot more for your entertainment. So today's video is gonna be about something that's very important. I hope you have seen the thumbnail of the video, but still I'm gonna tell you the most important accessory that we all must have are earrings, right? So today I'm going to discuss the 5 basic categories of earrings that are the basis. So even in case you have all other hell of earrings, all other hell types of earrings, you need to have these 5 basic categories of earrings according to me, right? So these form the basis of all kinds of earrings, and you can match them with each and every outfit that you have. So even if you have these 5 types of earrings, you're get set to go with any kind of outfit, right? So I have this whole tray full of earrings and I'm going to divide them into 5 categories. So you need to enjoy this video, and of course this video is going to be a bit long because I'm going to discuss a lot of things with you guys, and so please watch it till the end. You can bring certain beverage along with to enjoy, right? So one more thing, a little disclaimer, I am not a pro at fashion or something. I just know a bit about it, so I thought why not share it with you guys, because we are here to share our knowledge, right? So I'm gonna share this with you personally, and let's quickly dive into the video. So the very first category that I'm going to discuss are the hoops that I'm personally wearing. So these are called the hoops, in case you don't know. These are the circular shaped earrings, right? So among the hoops, आपको सिर्फ यही size नहीं मिलता है. There are 3 sizes of hoops particularly. मेरे पास तीनों है. So I'm going to show it to you in case you do not know at which size they are available in the market and which one to buy. Each and everything is going to be discussed, right? So the very first category are the smaller ones. Let's begin with the smaller ones. So this is the smallest earring that you will get in any kind of market or something. I will attach a picture right next to the video in case you are interested, because obviously I also understand by just seeing an earring in my hand you cannot actually, we don't have a very nice technology of cameras that you're gonna actually look inside to the earring onto its great detail. So I'm gonna attach a picture, you can see it accordingly. I will put it along with a picture kept on a surface as well as a picture tied to the ear, so you can check it properly before buying it. So first of all, this is the smallest size. It's little bigger than your ring according to me, and obviously I do not prefer to buy this much small earring because I love to wear the earrings that are quite big, but you need to keep all variety of earrings, right? Then comes your middle sized. So this is the second size of earring that is available in the same category. This is the earring. If you are interested, there is a lot of difference between the two, right? Next comes the biggest one that is in the series, and that is the one that I'm wearing right now. This is the biggest earring that is available in this category, right? The reason why मैंने ये तीनों खरीदे हैं, it is because it matches with each and every outfit. If I will give you a suggestion to buy only one earring out of these 5 categories that matches with each and every outfit, I would regard you to buy this. The reason behind that would be कि अगर आप ये भी आपके पास है, it matches with each and every outfit, right? So it's very beneficial, right? So that is why मैंने तीनों खरीदे हैं, but because I am a content creator, I require earrings a lot because I have to film a lot of videos and I want different kind of accessories along with it. But if you are a normal person, it's completely okay. I am also a normal person, not in regard to that. If you are not, if you have to, just, what do I mean? If you just have to go, to a ceremonial purpose or such, or keep it for your fashion, आप अपने face type के हिसाब से you can buy any kind of earrings, right? Out of these three you can select कि आपके face type के साथ क्या अच्छा लग रहा है, right? So now अब सिर्फ इसमें hoops does not mean only without any kind of embroidery, right? इसके ऊपर embroidery भी आती है. The very first part of it would be this. This comes with a slight embroidery, right? So this is a very nice sort of earring. I just love it because in these simpler ones you can buy these ones also, but the size of the earring would be equal to a medium sized hoop, right? It does not come in bigger or smaller size than this. This is the medium size and this is the preferable size and the size that is available, right? So this is the size that is personally available. Next that I would like to share with you guys among the hoops category only would be these quadrangles. Now this is not hoops, but this is part of hoops. These are known as quadrangles. This is square in shape. These are also available in star shape and these are also available in all sizes apart from this is medium size and you will get it in this size as well. But the reason why I have not bought it in that size because the silver ones go with all, whereas the golden ones have to match with something that's quite ceremonial and formal. That is why I don't buy it according to that. But personally, if you are interested, you can buy it with any sort of your own basis. This is just my opinion. So this is the next one. आपको पकाना नहीं चाहती, but I have a lot of one of them. So this is a bit smaller in size in case you love smaller earrings. And these are very elegant, very elegant. These can go with any kind of traditional outfit. Quite nice. The last ones among this category which I would like to discuss are these, right? So this is very very cute also, along with being a earring. This is the earring that I'm talking about. So this is a very nice embroidered hoop. Size is also medium. So this is the first category that I was talking about and these are the danglers. So it's very important to have a hoop or a dangler. Dangler क्या होता है? This is called basically a hoop that is bigger in size. This size is known as dangler, right? Next that I come towards is my second category. This is such a category that it is very important and you must have a pair of wooden earrings. Why I'm saying that? Because wooden earrings go along with each and every traditional outfit. When I say traditional, I do not mean lehengas, I mean Indo-Western kind of a look, including kurtis, or you can say including something that's related to kurtis, something being very Indo-Western. I hope you understand what I mean. If it makes any sense, according to me it makes. So this is what I basically mean. I personally use it along with my kurtis or with my Indo-Western look, but you can use it with your traditional look as well, right? The third category that I would consider would be nothing else but oxidized earrings. These form the basic form of earrings. So if a person who there is a game where one says the word and immediately something comes into your mind. So if I think about earrings, the earrings that come into my mind are oxidized because I just love, this is my most favorite category of earrings, that is oxidized. So beginning with the smallest ones, this is a mirror shaped earring and it's super duper cute and it's oxidized as well, right? Next we come towards the next oxidized. Now this is something that's bit bigger in size, but this is also nice. The last one that I would like to discuss is the biggest of them all. Not biggest, but the heaviest of them all, and I just love it. If you follow me on my Snapchat account, I will add the handle here. You can follow me if you want. I just tend to wear this most of the times and this is my favorite earring out of the lot because it's so cool, right, to wear along with a good sort of long skirt and along with an Indo-Western look. This looks really very nice, right? So this would work with your traditional look as well. So I just love these kind of earrings, but the only drawback is with some people is that it's a bit heavy. So in case you are not, you know, very probable आपका सिर दर्द हो जाता है, there are some people wearing heavy earrings annoys them, then you can, you know, wear the other sort of earrings. For them, this is also a certain type of earring that we get in oxidized. This is also nice. I like the chain that's coming out. Now coming to my second last category, it would be a long tassel earrings. Tassel earrings are very trending, very trending. According to me, this is the tassel earrings that I personally suggest. Obviously, this is the longest size that is available. You might get one in this size and might in this size as well. I have seen only two sizes. I will stick a picture of the medium size one in case you are interested. I do not have a medium sized tassel earring, unfortunately, but I've written it in my bucket list. As soon as quarantine goes away, I'm gonna buy that as well. Right? So it's in my bucket list. Coming towards the last set of earrings, my personal last set of earrings that I would like to discuss would be nothing else but something that is special. This is the most important earrings according, if you are a person who tends to go to ceremonies a lot. This is the golden earrings, golden leaf plating earrings. This is not real, of course, this is artificial. So in case you do not want to wear real gold to some place, you can wear this, because this लगता भी नहीं है कि this is not real, and plus it's also elegant to wear with any kind of outfit. The very last, as I was saying, category, obviously I would like to add a very small earring, and that would be this. You must have these kind of earrings. Why? Because these kind of earrings go very well with your skirt top or with your casual outfits, right? Because we need to add a lot more outfits to the category in order to match with the content, right? So and the very last, it's an additional. If you do not have this, then also it goes really very well. It is not compulsory, but I just found these earrings too very cute, so I thought, why not share them with you. This is the earring that I was talking about. The marble that is on the bottom of the earring, I just love this marble. I don't know why, but it is so cute. And comment down below if you like this earring. So you need to have such small and cute earrings with you as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video useful. I just shared all my knowledge with you about earrings. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and click on the little bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And of course, the most valuable thing for me would be your comment. Your one comment could change my life. So I would suggest you to please write something in the comment section below about what you felt about the video, right? And of course, if you want me to make a series on the must-haves category amongst my wardrobe or amongst my shoes or bags, you can write to me in the comment section below. You can follow me on the following handles as well. So yeah, that's it for this video, and stay home, stay safe. It's a very evil situation going on. We need to control it by staying together and staying at our home. So I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.